Welcome to IgoroTech channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to optimize hard disk in Windows 10. Organizing the data can increase responsiveness if you have a computer with older hardware and a traditional rotating platters hard drive. To run the defragmentation tool to speed up the system drive, follow these steps. Open Settings. Click on System. Storage. Under the More Storage Settings section, click the Optimize Drives option. Select the drive that needs defragmentation. Click the Optimize button. After you complete the steps, the tool will rearrange the files to make them accessible more quickly the next time they are needed, translating into noticeable performance improvement. Note, if you have a computer with an SSD, using the defragmentation tool will run the trim command to inform the storage device of the blocks with data that can be safely erased. This process can significantly improve performance because the drive won't have to erase the blocks during the writing data process. This covers optimizing hard disk in Windows 10. If you have a question to ask, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.